Hello guys. So someone have asked me a question on YouTube, and the person was asking, how do I import my Telegram mine to Herewallet? He said, how do I import it? So I'm just doing this tutorial for that person. And if you can look at the top here, this near wallet at the top, there's this badge there, new. It's not like, it does not have this yellow verified tick, like it has not been verified. So this particular tutorial is for how you can import your .tg account to here. How you can import .tg account to here. How you can import it. So this is what to do. At this very top by the right, after this near wallet, we have this new tick, we have this barcode, then we have this like kind of it's not triangle, but is it hexagonal or something. You click on it, then you see Emirates Exchange.tg. That is my near name. And you see seed phrase. So you click on the seed phrase. So here now you copy the seed phrase from here. You copy the seed phrase from here. Let me go back again. Let me retake this so that you understand better. So let me just close it. So you click on claim now. It will load. Then once it loads, then at the very top there's near wallet, there's new, there's something like barcode, and the last one by the right. So you click on it, then you see Emirates Exchange.tg. So if you are seeing, because the near wallet on Telegram, it uses your Telegram username. So if you are being Joseph, so your near, if you just register here, your near username will be joseph.tg. That is your near address. Your near address. So if anybody wants to send you a coin, so that is the address you are going to give. So you click on seed phrase. You can either use private key or seed phrase. You copy any of them you want to use. Then you can decide to go back. Then you go to Google Play Store. You download near crypto wallet. Near crypto wallet. Herewallet. So after downloading it, you click on open. I've already logged in mine. I've imported mine. So when you click on open, you will see create and import. So all you have to do is just to import. Click on the import the wallet. There are two options there: seed phrase and private key. So you can use any of the options from which you copied. And once you do that, it will just take you directly to your portfolio. So that is that to import your near wallet from Telegram to Herewallet without creating, because it is a requirement needed. It is a requirement needed if you want to boost this basic wood. Is it basic wood? There is a particular place. Let me see. Okay, yes. There's a requirement needed for you to get a tick needed here to download deposit near. So you have to download the near wallet. So there's a requirement needed for that. So that is how to import your wallet from your near wallet on Telegram to Herewallet. So once you do that, if you have any other further questions, you can drop it on the comment section. I will be glad to help. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends. Alright, so see you guys on my next video.